Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and then it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. But for now we have to select the plus icon in the bottom bar. And the app is going to present us with a list of different kinds of formats that we can create in. From this list we have to select YouTube thumbnail, tap on it, and then the app is going to load the format, and then it's going to offer us some templates that we can use. But after that we can just start creating, adding elements, text, parts, and everything else. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.